You guys remember before we place an order, we had 7,361 followers, right? And currently we still have 7,361 followers. So for us to know if these followers are already coming in, right, all we need to do is to refresh. How do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 7,540 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost your Instagram followers very fast in Ghana, and it's very simple. All you need to do is for you to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to introduce you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. You know, the link is in the description. Just tap on the link in the description. It will take you to the website. Do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to boost your Instagram followers in Ghana. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account in this platform. You know, all you need to do is to come down right here. You see the sign up right here, and you see the sign up. Just tap on it, and once you tap on the sign up, come to this username right here. Create a username. Come to this email right here. Put your email. Come to this password and create a password and confirm your password right here. And click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. So if you want to boost your Instagram followers, all you need to do is to come to this category right here, come to this category, tap on it, and look for Instagram followers right here. You can see different Instagram followers, but I like using this particular one. Instagram followers, non-drop, new premium. You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on the service, you see different services right here. But I like using the first one, so I just need to select the first one. The next thing you need to do is for you to read the description. The description is actually what describes the service, right? It's important for you to read the description in order to know what you're actually going for, right? So the next thing is for you to come to this link right here. You can see this link. That's where you post your profile link. So in case you don't know how to copy your link, let me show you guys how to do that. So all we need to do is for us to come to Instagram, and right here I'm on my Instagram. You know, all we need to do for us to copy a link is for us to just come to this share profile right here. Can you see the share profile? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right there? Tap on it, and our link is copied. But before we go back, right, I want us to confirm something. Before we place an order in this platform, we have the 7,361 followers. It's important for us to mark it because we are going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. We have 7,361 followers. So let's go back and paste our link right here, and the next thing we need to do is to come to this quantity right here. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. In this video I want only 200 followers, so I just need to insert 200 and click on the submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Just to tap on it, and once you tap on it right here, you can see our order have been received. Easy peasy. So all we need to do right now is for us to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into that account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you phone account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Just tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you this place. All you need to do is for you to come to this place, enter amount of money you want to enter. If it's 1,000 CDs, if it's 500 CDs, any amount you want to put, just click on this pay right here, and all you need to do is that you need to exercise patience. The thing will load, and Kodapay is going to ask you enter a valid mobile money number below to process your payment. So you just need to enter your mobile money number right here and follow the process. It's very easy, and your payment is going to go automatically, and it will be reflected on GrowBetterGH balance automatically, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers are already coming in. So let's go, right? So you guys remember before we place an order. Okay, let's come back. You know, right here you can see we have new 75 followers right here. You can see. But let's just go back and check. You guys remember before we place an order, we had 7,361 followers, right? And currently we still have 7,361 followers. So for us to know if these followers are already coming in, right, all we need to do is to refresh. How do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 7,540 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in, right? So this is exactly how they will keep coming into the complete the amount of followers you order, right? So this is exactly how to boost your Instagram followers very fast in Ghana. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.